I got my new seat and my oil tray. I'm gonna go fix shit on Saturday. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna sit on the bench next to the bike. Turn my wrench till it's running right. I forgot the parts for the job. Head back home because I'm a knob. Alright, got the seat off. Let's go ahead and get to working on this back. So we got the valve cover loose. Go ahead and wiggle worm this thing out of here. I don't think I've ever seen the dirt and everything fall out. Look how little bit of gasket they put on that. There's almost no gasket on the other surface. Wow. No wonder it was leaking. Shoo, we'll get it fixed up. With the old quadruple aught or double aught steel wool. Used it on my chrome before. Good stuff. Get us some of this and get it sprinkled. Good old elbow grease. Got her all chined up. Now we gotta go to the mating surface up here, clean it. Alrighty. Got my ultra gray, right stuff. My tube, spick and cut. Go ahead and see if we can get this not screwed up. Well, after screwing up 2 or 3 times, looks like we made it. Got a seal on gaskets. Now we go to the old magneto gasket. Got the chain cover off. But now we got clear view of that shifter shaft. And it looks like that thing's a reeking oil. Get that bad boy replaced, we'll be good to go. Well, it happens again. Never had this before her. Broke off a bolt inside case. Fixing it, they tried to drill it out and they all belonged to the hole, so then threads wouldn't hold. And they JB welded a bolt to the case. The case is fine. The inner case is not fine now. So we gotta think of what we're gonna do. She wants me just to put some JB weld in it and hold her over so she can ride. She wants to wait to get a case.